This is an overview of a keynote speech that I gave during the 2018 Suburban School Superintendents Conference in Nashville, Tennessee for Discovery Education. Throughout my one-hour presentation, I share stories, reference research, and model teaching and learning strategies that can be used to integrate curriculum music into the classroom. I have a number of songs and music videos available in Discovery Education streaming that span content areas and grade levels. Each song includes a series of suggested teaching strategies that can be used to get students fully engaged in the content. I demonstrate some of these strategies throughout the keynote by getting participants up and moving while interacting with curriculum music and lyrics. The powerful combination of music and movement can improve memory, attention, creativity, and motivation. Also, I model the use of one-take lecture and paper slide music videos. As the instructor, I can use these videos to efficiently deliver some of the core content and share visual representations of the songs. Of course, I can also challenge my students to collaborate and create a number of one-take videos themselves. The instructional strategies modeled and discussed today can be used by any educator tomorrow to create active, challenging, and engaging learning environments.